In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Rectangular Revision Cloud in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the Revision Cloud tool or type REVCLO in the command line and press Enter. Next, choose the Rectangular option by typing R and pressing Enter. Specify the first corner of the Rectangular Revision Cloud by clicking a point in your drawing. Then, click the opposite corner to define the size of the rectangle. AutoCAD will create a Rectangular Revision Cloud around the selected area. You can adjust the size and shape of the revision cloud by selecting it and using the available grips. Rectangular Revision Cloud is useful when you need to highlight changes or specific areas in a drawing. It is commonly used for marking revisions, updates, and areas that require attention. To modify the revision cloud, select the object and adjust its properties or grips as needed. And that's how to use Rectangular Revision Cloud in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.